wondering what it takes to succeed in e-commerce this year, this video is for you. I just got back from an incredible event in Dubai where some of the brightest minds in the industry shared their insights of what's coming next. In this video, I'm going to share with you the lessons I learned and how you can apply them in order to stay up to date and in order to thrive more and more. So let's get started. The event I attended called World Delft Dubai, where e-commerce experts came together to share ideas, innovations, and trends. And believe me, AI is leading the way. That's why in this video, I'm going to share with you everything I learned about AI in e-commerce and how you can use it in order to improve your business. Let's start first by talking about how AI is changing e-commerce. And in here, I want to start talking about how you can use AI to improve your business. And there are two things that you can focus on. First, personalization, and second, efficiency. When it comes to personalization, AI is going to help us to make every customer journey on our store unique. And we are not talking only about like improving the product recommendations and make them more tailored to every customer. This is something that AI is doing, and this is something that AI will continue to improve over time. But we are talking about another level of personalization, like for example, changing photos on the store, changing the descriptions, changing the customer avatar, and so on. So let's say, for example, I have a makeup store and I know that this customer age is around 35 years old. In this case, I'm going to show images on my store that reflects a customer avatar in the same age. But let's say the person who's checking the website now is an older woman of 50 years old. I will be showing images of women at this age. And this is extremely important because the more you personalize the website, the more you make the experience unique, the more you are able to convert your customers to buy from you. How much AI is going to improve personalization and what are the things they will be able to do in a few years, no one really knows. But this is definitely something good for any e-commerce business. And you should start profiting from this on your store now, at least with product recommendations. Now, the second thing that AI can help you with is efficiency. And I'm pretty sure many of the people who are watching this video started using AI somehow. Maybe you are simply using ChatGPT to write emails and stuff like that. But there are other things that you can do, like for example, using chatbots in order to reply to your customers' questions. And this is gonna save you a lot of money when it comes to customer support. Or you can be using more advanced AI tools like Joofy, for example, to play the role of a sales team on your store, replying to your customers' questions, recommending products, and so on. But when it comes to efficiency, AI will not stop here. In the event I have attended, I have seen a lot of companies that use AI to generate photos, videos, 3D mock-ups, and stuff like that. And these are things that will save e-commerce brands a lot of money. So imagine instead of paying thousands of dollars to do a photo shoot, you can now generate photos for all of your products using AI. We are talking about fashion brands, luxury brands, makeup, and stuff like that. Maybe these tools are not yet that advanced, but they are on the road of becoming super advanced. And this is something that we must keep track on because it's going to help us a lot as e-commerce brand owners. Another thing that AI is changing in e-commerce, and it's actually mind-blowing, is how people are searching for products. Well, up until now, or maybe last year, people used to go to Google to search for something that they want to buy. So if they have the intention of buying, Google would be their first place. Well, guess what? Not anymore. People are now going to AI like ChatGPT or Gemini or something like this and ask for the products they want. A lot of companies put a huge amount of money in order to rank in Google, in order to have like strong SEO to show when people search for products. Well, if people are no longer going to Google to search, this means that SEO won't matter anymore. Up until this moment, the AI tools are still using the data coming from Google or from any search engine in order to return results. But this is not going to be for a very long time because AIs are learning from our questions, from our interactions with them. So at a certain point, they will stop taking their data from the search engines. And in this case, SEO might not matter anymore. I know this is super confusing, and I think it's confusing for everyone because we're not sure yet how AI is going to work, how they are going to get the answers, how they are going to recommend some brands or others. So we need to wait. But the most important thing is to keep track of what's happening and to always read and to always stay up to date. By the way, if you are liking this video and you like my content in general, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel and to hit the notification bell, because in this way you will get notified every time I publish a new video. I do my best to publish several videos weekly about e-commerce and how to succeed in e-commerce. So make sure to subscribe. And now let's get back to our topic. Sorry, it's getting cold here, so I needed to add a layer. Now, the second lesson I learned in there, and it's actually a very simple yet very powerful one, and it was mind-shifting for me, is how and when you start using AI in your business. The idea is you need to think about AI as a tool or as tools, not as goals. So what you need to do is to decide the areas where you want to improve your business. Decide the goals or where you want to take your business. And based on these goals, based on how you want to improve your business, you start using AI or you start introducing AI to your business. So let me give you an example, because this is gonna make things easier. Let's say, for example, you sell clothes, okay? And one of your biggest costs, most probably, is photography, because you need to do photo shootings, you need to take photos of every variant, of every color, and so on. So this is where you want to lower your costs. This is where you need to find a solution. And this is where you should be searching for an AI tool to fix this problem. So you start experiencing with tools that can get you product photography for lower prices, for example. On the other hand, most of e-commerce brands pay a lot of money on customer support. So maybe you are looking to lower your customer support fees and at the same time improve the efficiency, because even if you hire 20 people for customer support, it's very hard to offer 24/7. AI can do that, and you can always add the personal touch by allowing customers to talk to a real person if they need to. But anyway, with AI you can lower your customer support cost and you can make it more efficient. So you need to be searching for an AI tool that does this. So do it step by step. Introduce AI to your business step by step. This is how you make sure that you are still understanding what's happening. You are not overwhelmed with all of these updates and all of these things. And you make sure that AI is serving the purpose you have used it for. The third lesson I learned in this event and I want to share with you is that basics still matter. Well, yes, AI is changing e-commerce, but success comes down to the fundamentals. If you don't have a good product, if you're not serving your customers in a good way, you will never be able to cheat your way to success using AI or using any other tool. So focus on your customers, how you can keep them happy, how you can solve their problems, how you can serve them in the best way possible so they keep coming again and again to your store and buy from you again and again. If your products are not good, AI is not going to solve this problem and you will never be able to succeed. AI is super powerful, but it's an enhancer. You need to have a good product. You need to have a product that stands alone in the market, and you need to serve your customers in the best way possible in order to succeed. AI will help you to succeed more, but that's it. Attending this event in Dubai reminded me of how fast e-commerce is evolving. AI is changing everything. This is a matter of fact. But the fundamentals of a successful business are still the same. So my advice for you, focus on the most important things and use AI as a tool to amplify your results. And now I want to hear from you. Did you start using AI in your business? If so, in which areas? And are you seeing good results? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know your insights on this topic.